Hey everyone, it's Dylan at Walnut Ridge Family RV in Newcastle, Indiana. Today we are feature Friday of a Cougar half-ton towable. This is the 29 MBD. It's a 2026 model, brand new for the year. I got to go over it with you because we also have a great special on it. You're taking an additional $1,000 off this unit. It goes through to tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day for us. We don't work on Sunday. June starts on Monday. So let's take advantage of this one. 29 MBD, you have the Kurt Helix pin box up front. You can tell it has a coil and a spring strut up there. That helps with towing down the road, helps with that chucking back and forth, up and down, and all that stuff. Complete auto level on this. Push the button, level itself out. You can step away and let that thing do its thing. Big pass-through storage. Take a look at that. It's huge. You can put all your chairs, your tables, your laundry, stuff like that in there. You have Goodyear tires with ABS brakes as well, and the new composite steps, easy adjustable legs. And then you have 2 slides on this unit. So it's not super duper heavy. You're weighing in right at about 9,800 pounds dry weight, plus you're about 34 feet overall length. So you can get into a lot of your state and national parks. Come on in, let's take a look at this nice, beautiful unit here. So as soon as you step in, you're going to step into the back side of it. You have your dinette with your TV that's going to be over here to your right side. You have storage, pantry, countertop space. There's loads of storage in there. Obviously, you have your whole back-end kitchen there. Billy, go ahead and take a look at all that. You have your 12-volt refrigerator that's going to be conveniently located real close to your kitchen. You have your cooktop, your stove. You have 2 recliners over here, plus a little bench area. This can fold down so you can put drinks, chargers, stuff like that for your phone. Furrion AC systems, you have 2 of these units, one back here, one in here, and it's ducted throughout. So when you come back this way, this is what everyone loves. It's the mid-bunk. You have 2 extra sleeping room. You have lots of storage in there. It's a slide out. Really nice for the kids, grandkids, extra sleeping area for someone to lay their head at night. Or you can use it for a little office area. You could do that as well. You have a nice setup here for a mud room. You can sit here, take your shoes off, put your socks on, hang your coats. You have storage up above. You even have another little small pantry right there. So you can use that for more storage, linen closet, or you can use it for a pantry for your kitchen. Conveniently located here is all your slide mechanisms, your lights, all that stuff. And then your bathroom, porcelain toilet. You have a good sized shower in there, a vanity, sink, all the essentials that you need that most campers have, but Cougar does a really good job with the colors and everything. Up front, king bed, storage underneath the bed, and then you have storage around. You have your second AC. Lily, I'm going to switch spots with you. Over on the right side, you have your washer dryer prep, and you have storage in here. So if you just wanted to use it for you're hanging your clothes, obviously your drawers, or if you really do need that washer and dryer, you have it. Now, what does that say? This thing is warranted for full-time living. So you have extra insulation in your slide boxes, heated tank pads, and then you have the warranty with Cougar and Keystone throughout the nation. So this is a great unit, fantastic, super cool little layout. Come out and take a look at it and take advantage of those savings. We'll see you guys.